Okay, so this is the workflow that I created. You need FullEnrich to be able to get all the data, which is like email or phone number, to contact the people that are actually visiting your pricing page. So every time someone will visit your pricing page, the workflow will start. I use VisitorQueue for the example, but there's like many tools that can do that. So thanks to the IP, they can like find from which company they are like coming from or visiting. So let's do a step-by-step. So let's do tests. I'm going to use this record. Okay, so for example, coming from SimilarWeb, visiting my pricing page on my website, we're going to continue with this. Then we're going to use the data and use ChatGPT to say, find me the LinkedIn company URL of this company. So we're going to share the lead name. So here, SimilarWeb, and the website. Answer only with the URL, no leading or training, blah, blah, blah. This will allow us to get, let's just try again. So this will allow us to get the LinkedIn company page of the company that actually visited your pricing page. Then once we have this, we're going to use Apify to get like the people that you actually want to target in this company, right? So because I don't know, like you want to talk with the head of sales or the CEO or whatever, but you don't want to talk with the HR, you know what I mean? So we're going to use Apify to do that. We're going to use this actor, LinkedIn Employee Scraper, and you're going to put, so company URLs, the one that we just get, okay? And now search job title, VP sales, CEO. This is what we want. So I continue, retest step just to show you. So it can take also like few times, depend also on the amount of people that you see it's done, right? But if you have like high volume, I suggest you to put like a wait, because like Zapier, sometimes if it's too long, then it's going to stop. So succeed, we have everything. We're going to continue now. And now we're going to do a looping to do the enrichment on all the people that we get right now. So here we go. So first name, last name, company, LinkedIn. For each, we have all we have 5 people for each. You can put 10, you can put 15, 20, as many as you want. But now we're going to do a loop for each of them. So to get the details of all of them. Okay, so as you can see, it's done. We continue. And now this is the main part. It's to find the email or the phone number of those people. So we're going to use FullEnrich for that. Thanks to the data that we get. Let's just do retests. Okay, so it's done. I'm gonna, I hide everything because I don't want you to see all the details of those people. But so yeah, first name, last name, we will get we got the email, the phone number. This is not the real one, so you don't have to call. But for each people, we'll get email and phone, or you want only the phone or only the email. This is something that you can decide. And then after we get a very nice output with all the details, as you can see. We get we use a JavaScript code here in Zapier to get everything divided. So let's just do that. Okay, it's done. And then we're going to do a filter to get only, we do ICP scoring. If it's under 60, we don't keep it. If it's above, so it means that this is the right role. We have the email, we have the phone. So it means that the ICP score is relevant, but also the industry in which they are, the industry that they are working in. If it's not relevant for us, we don't want to waste our time. Right now, the ICP score is 60, so it's relevant for us. So we're going to send that into Slack. We can send that into your CRM or to an email or whatever, directly to the sales guy, and a message saying hey, this guy working here, the role is this, just visited our pricing page. You should reach out because maybe they are interested. So right now we just send that into Slack for the example, but you can update that. So let's do a retest. Now if I go on Slack. Okay, so I value visitor on your website, Mike Sadler company. This is a test, right? But you see FullEnrich, but it's not FullEnrich. ICP score 60 on 100. Page visited, pricing page. You know exactly how much time they spend. Now it's only 8 seconds, so it's not really relevant, but of course, this is something that you can see. Then you get the email, the phone, the LinkedIn. You can reach out to them, and reach out within the hour while they are hot. So yeah, this is the workflow. As you can see, it's pretty powerful. People visit your website, pricing page. We find out who they are. We enrich the roles that you are looking for working in this company. We do ICP scoring. If it's relevant, you receive a notification saying this guy with this email address, this phone number, working here is visiting your pricing page or reach out to him to convert. So yeah, that's it, pretty easy.